Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your camera isn't opening in Samsung devices. So if your Samsung camera isn't opening, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if your camera isn't opening in Samsung devices.